everyone! My name is Claire and I'm the lead artist of Unseen Inside Out. We work with a diverse group of 12 visually impaired participants to create an installation of soundscapes that are grounded by their personal lived experiences and voices of the community. This is our workshopping process. Let me hand you over to my key artist collaborator Kira, who will be audio describing this video.
Claire and two participants, one beside her and one on Zoom, are playing a ball game. I smile at the camera and Claire's unaware.
This is our first vlog!
Claire notices and smiles.
Hi, Claire.
Snippets of our workshops. Awakening of the body. To prepare the body to be in a state of readiness. Tulip massages Desmond as he's flopped forward. We align the spine and release tension from the body. With another participant, Wai bends down facing Cheyenne, who's on Zoom.
You don't know me, the top model of China.
Wai points at Cheyenne.
You don't know me.
Not top model of China.
Claire leads Jiling across the space at random. The ball game. The participants embody different elements: water, fire, earth, and air. Participants show us their daily routines. Cheyenne brushes her teeth and washes her hands. Tulip makes a cup of coffee. Desmond invites Claire to sit at his dining table. Conversations with Kendra and Firdaus on Zoom and live. What did you enjoy?
I enjoy imagine in the garden.
The rules will really try to expand the way I think. I like the
I enjoy most on the we use the word like for to pass to each other.
Text on screen, give and receive. What are 3 words to summarize these workshops?
Perseverance, trust, and happiness.
transparency, open up.
Focus, imagination, and happiness.
Spontaneity, trust, vulnerability.
Voice, energy, imagination.
Fascinating, nerve-wracking, and reaction.
Crazy journey today.
Happy, energetic, interested.
Through hearing these real voices of the community, we hope that perspectives of the disabled community will start to evolve, just like ours have with the process. We'll see you there!
Bye!
We'll see you later! Bye-bye!
Bye! Credits. Unseen Inside Out is produced by Unseen Arts Initiatives. Special thanks to National Arts Council, National Youth Council and Young Changemakers, SG Culture Anywhere, and Philip Yo Initiative. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.